Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Builder Man avatar. First, let's gather the necessary components to begin building your iconic look. We'll cover selecting the right body parts, choosing the perfect accessories, and adding those special touches that make your avatar stand out. Get ready to transform your character into the recognizable Builder Man. To start, you'll need the man package for the foundational body shape. Next, equip a bright yellow construction helmet to protect your avatar's head. For the torso, select the work clock shirt, which features a clock design. Finally, complete the lower half with a pair of dark green jeans to match the classic aesthetic. Now, let's personalize your Builder Man. Change your avatar's skin tone to a light yellow or a soft orange for that distinct look. Choose a simple, friendly face that complements the character's approachable nature. For an extra touch of authenticity, you might add a tool belt accessory. Double-check that all your selected items are properly equipped. You're almost done. Make sure to save your new Builder Man avatar configuration so you can easily switch back to it anytime. Take a moment to review all the equipped items to ensure everything is perfect. Then, test out your new look in various game environments to see it in action. Now, you can proudly show off your classic Builder Man to all your friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.